Good day and welcome to today's construction class. Taking a look at the picture of that question, we are going to develop it now. So the diameter of that cylindrical object is what? Is diameter 60, while the height is what? Is 30. So take a look at this. To develop the horizontal line, then the okay, so we are told that the diameter is what? Diameter 60. And the height is what? The height is 30. Okay, so the next thing is to what? Is to develop the box first and foremost. Okay, so let's develop the curve at the top first and foremost. Divide the square into what? 4 equal halves. Okay, I haven't done that. So principle of isometric box is what? Join the longest diagonal first of all. Join the longest diagonal, which is what I'm going to do now. From that, so from this other diagonal, I'm going to draw it to what? To the half of then to this half. Then I'm going to do the same thing at the opposite side here also. I haven't done that. The next is to what? Is to draw out the curve, picking my compass, placing it at the opposite end here, extending it to this point here, the first arc. Then placing it on the opposite corner with the same dimension. I'm going to draw the second arc. Pass here, the midpoint here, extending it down here. Then the same dimension on the opposite end here. Okay, so we have a circle or isometric curve at the top. So having that, to develop the one at the bottom. All right, so this is what we are going to do. We develop this same square box at the top. We develop what? We develop it at the bottom. So just take note of what I'm going to do right here now. So I'm also going to what? Join the longest diagonal. I'm going to join the longest diagonal. After joining the longest diagonal, so the first opposite down there and this junction up there. So doing the same thing here to the opposite corner down there. Then to the opposite corner down there. Right, I haven't done that. The next is what? Pick my compass and draw out the corresponding curves. And the opposite corner. Okay, so take note of this. I'm going to place the compass at the junction here. I'm going to what? Join it down to that place and placing it here also. I'm going to what? Join it down here. All right, so we are going to erase some parts off. All right, erasing those parts off, I'm going to what? Join this midpoint to here, this midpoint here, and this midpoint also to here, to this midpoint here. So my object is what? Is settled. All right, so ensure you put wherever you want us to improve on the comment section, then click the like and subscribe button, and also refer the videos to your friend that might be in need of it. Thank you.